I just woke up, and you can see that I just like seriously woke up, and we're in Sydney, and now I'm gonna wait for my friend, and I didn't sleep at all. I slept so little, but I don't know. I'm excited to go because it's Sydney, and I have my tea from Crew Lounge. It's jasmine tea, and now my friend is coming, and we're gonna go to the city to Bondi Beach, and we're very excited. Even if I'm super tired, but I'm very excited. And now we're taking a bit of coffee, and we're taking bus number 380 to go to the Bondi Beach. And the ticket price, which is good at convenience store, it's 9.40. It's 9.40, and we're so excited. Yeah, here is the beach, the Bondi Beach, and we just got here by the bus. Hopefully we will find the way back very easily, and that's so beautiful. That's really nice, and you can see some people doing yoga, and somebody's have personal trainers and surfing. Yeah, perfect. Here is the Speedo's Cafe, which we're gonna try a lot of food. And we're in the super busy coffee in the Speedo Cafe, and we have the cakes with the syringes here. It's really cool, really love it. And that's the menu, this world famous. And now we're gonna have these pancakes with a food court, some wellness porridge, and after we're gonna have drinks menu, green machine with the scenery and energizer. And we're very excited! And look at this wonderful porridge. I never had this amazing porridge in the morning. That looks amazing. Honestly, it's like a piece of art, I swear. And green smoothie with the chia seeds, and the most important is the view. Bondi Beach. And after we're just gonna walk all the way there on the steps, on the coast, and take more photos. And that's our morning.
Так, теперь как мышь сфоткаемся.
Trees, I don't know what that, and the chapel by the sea. We're going to get some souvenirs.
And it keeps getting bigger.
This is the farmer's market, which is entered because it's Saturday today, and they have everything, I tell you, and you can just get something like in the Zakin Park in Dubai, anything. You can go to the beach, get a throw, towels, and just enjoy it. Looks lovely, everybody with the kids walking around. And we're gonna go somewhere else now, and it's gonna be lovely, very excited. What about puppy parking here? So you can just leave your dogs and go somewhere. behind me, just over there, and we're very excited. So we're gonna take some photos down, and I'll show you later how it looks like. And after we'll take a bus 380 back to the hotel, and maybe we'll go some shopping, right?
Yes.
So happy, like never, very happy, very excited. Just so beautiful. I hope I will never lose my phone somewhere here on the rocks.